some of the test your understanding questions now. We've got 3x plus 5 over some quadratic minus 2 over x minus 3. So prime numbers there, left and right, nothing I can do. 2x minus 3, nothing to do there. We're going to factorize this quadratic. And what's one of the factors probably going to be? X minus 3, I would guess. That works with the x squareds. Minus 3, what would you have to multiply it by? X plus 4. Okay, yeah, that one will work. So let's do 3x plus 5 over, and let's factorize, and let's say x plus 4, x minus 3, whoops, x minus 3, take away 2 over x minus 3. Okay, it's already got the x minus 3, it's already got the x minus 3, it needs the x plus 4. So 3x plus 5 over, and let's do this as one big fraction, x plus 4, x minus 3, the negative sign carried over. The 2 needs an x plus 4. Okay, don't forget, we're going to apply the 2 and then do the negatives if you want to think of it that way. Okay. So 3x minus 2x is going to give me just x. And then 5, take away, well, 2 times 4 is 8, and then minus, so minus 8. So 5 minus 8 minus 3. Again, over x plus 4, x minus 3. Now, if you just took a 1 out of everything, just to make clear what we're doing, if you took a 1 out of everything in the numerator, yeah, what could you see? Well, hopefully you could see quite clearly you have these factors appearing in the numerator and the denominator. So we can just cancel them out. And if you do it that way, you can see what you're going to be left with. It's 1 over x plus 4. Okay, and if we go back to the question now, whoops, it should make more sense. It says as a single fraction in its simplest form. So this is why they're saying simplest form. Okay, next question. Express the following as a single fraction, simplest form. So same kind of thing again. Bit of inspection at the top, 10x plus 4. You could take a 2 out, but I can't see x. I can't see 5x plus 2 anywhere here. This is just a number, that's a linear factor. So I'm not going to actually do anything with that, but I am going to factorize the denominator. And again, I think that x plus 1 is probably going to be one of the factors. Factor theorem to check. Minus 1. So minus 1 squared is 3. 3 plus minus 4 is minus 1 plus 1. Yeah, so x plus 1 is a factor of this one here. So let's start writing it out and factorize it. X plus 1 is definitely a factor. Well, if x plus 1 is a factor, then 3x is, isn't it? Because how else are you going to get a 3x squared? And the numbers, 1 times by what is giving you plus 1, so it's plus 1. Minus 3 over x plus 1. And while we're at it, we know that the 3x plus 1, sorry, this 3x plus 1 here is missing. So let's put that, let's put this up there. There we go. I'm multiplying by everything, that's why I'm allowed to just suddenly put this in brackets. What have we got? At the top we've got 10x minus, well this would be 3 times 3x, that would be 9x. So I should just get x on the top in terms of x's. I've got a positive 4. Over here I'm going to have 3 times 1, which is 3, so it will be 4 minus 3. So it's going to be plus 1. Can you see what's going to happen already? Hopefully. Over x plus 1 and 3x plus 1. And again, this is just sort of to illustrate the idea, but if you sort of take a 1 out and you put this in brackets, you can see we're going to cancel again. So final answer, 1 over 3x plus 1. If the answers to the questions look much simpler than what you've done, chances are you've probably missed out a step like this at the end. So, having a go at the questions, please.